Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to VIVO V30. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on whatever you want to, and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO V30. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some deep pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct orders and choose Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!